Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Stocks Invader. So in today's video, I will be discussing a very important topic of trailing stop loss. You must have seen that in all my videos, I keep mentioning about trailing your stop loss. So how do you exactly trail the stop loss? That will be covered in this video. There are basically two methods with which we can do that. The first one is with the help of exponential moving average, and the second one is market structure. So firstly, we'll be using the 20-day moving average to trail our stop loss. To explain this indicator further, the 20-day moving average is an indicator that calculates the average price over the last 20 candles. Let us check it out on the TradingView platform with the help of an example. For the ease of understanding, I will be explaining this technique using the chart of Reliance Industries Limited, since it is the all-time favorite of most investors. Please note, we are using this technique only for short-term investments, and hence, please do not try this for your intraday trades. So this is the chart of Reliance Industries Limited. The time frame that we are using here is the daily time frame. Now let us add the 20-day exponential moving average. For this, I will be typing here moving average. And once you type this, you get an indicator called as moving average exponential. I will add this to my timeline. And right now you can see the setting is 9. So I will be changing the setting to 20. I will also change the color of this indicator so that it is visible. Okay, so now we are all set. So this is the Reliance chart with 20 EMA indicator plotted over it. Now suppose that you are on 24th of August 2021 and you are willing to take an entry in Reliance stock. You know that 2230 is a resistance level and you are eagerly waiting for that level to be broken by price action. What happens next is that level gets broken and you have entered the stock at say 2240. Now once you have entered the trade, your main motive will be to capture the maximum move that the stock can give. Now let us check how 20 EMA will be helpful in doing so. Now you will exit this trade only when a red candle breaks the 20 EMA line, something like this. Let me zoom it and show it to you. Something like this should happen, which will trigger a sell or exit point of our trade. Now let us check when the red candle has done a negative crossover with the 20 EMA line in our current example. The red candle that you see here has taken a support on this 20 EMA line. However, we will not take this red candle as our trailing stop loss since it has not done a negative crossover with the 20 EMA line. Now let's find out what happened next. Now this red candle that you see over here has actually broken the 20 EMA level, and this candle can be used as a trailing stop loss, and this level of 2609 can be used as a level to exit the trade. So here our entry was at 2240 on 30th of August 2021 and we exited the trade on 28th of October 2021 at a price level of 2609. And you can see for yourself, we have made approximately 15% returns in just 60 days. Now let us check what has happened on the charts after we have exited this trade using the 20 EMA trailing stop loss strategy. It can be seen that the stock had almost reached our buying level in December 2021. So in a way, trailing stop loss has actually helped us to exit the trade with an excellent return of 15% in just 60 days. So this is how 20 EMA can be used for trailing the stop loss of any short-term trade and capture at least 80% of the entire up move. The second method that I had mentioned for trailing the stop loss was following the market structure. I will be making a separate video for understanding how one can exit a trade using the market structure technique. So stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing my channel and press the bell icon so that you get regular updates of all the content posted on my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video.
Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe Stocks Invader for more such quality content.